Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is now officially 1 year on the channel. I just missed it by a couple days. April 1st was the 1 year anniversary on the channel. So I just want to start off saying thank you to everybody that has been joining along. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. It's so awesome to have everybody that's been joining, leaving comments and following along this journey. If you're first timer watching this, it's a journey I'm trying to save from $0. We started last April, trying to save $100,000 in my TFSA using Wealthsimple Trade. Now this update is for the dividends I received in the month of March. Let's just jump right into the portfolio and show you how we did. All right, here we are in the activity. You can filter through with activities here. Now, one thing I have noticed in the Wealthsimple app recently, they updated their app. It changed the colors on this and it's the dark mode. So let me know how you think that how this looks in the video. It's a bit different than what I've been using before. And the reason it is dark mode is no matter what I do in the settings, maybe you're having this issue as well. I've checked the settings on my phone. I've checked the settings on the app. I can switch it to light, but as soon as I start the app again, it goes right back to dark. So there must be some kind of glitch in the app, at least on my phone, who knows. But anyways, let's just show how we did for the dividends. Let's start back at the beginning here in March. REI, that's our RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust, one of the channel favorites, which is doing quite well. $2.13, pretty good, added to the account. And then we had that one on March 7th. On March 8th, we got a dividend from VDY, $6.82. That is our Vanguard ETF for VDY. SOT.UN, that is Slate Office REIT, $2.96. We received that March 15th. And BEP.UN, this is our Brookfield Renewables, $4.06. That's a nice one to get. And then on March 31st, this was our last one. We had $2.98 from RNW, that's TransAlta Renewables. So altogether for the month of March in the dividends we received was $18.95. A little bit up actually from the month before, which is nice. We will reinvest those into the portfolio in the coming week. Nice to get almost 20 bucks added to the portfolio. We're starting to see what I think I've noticed in the portfolio for the year is now we're starting to kind of see these dividends start that little snowball effect, which is nice. It's nice to share how this portfolio has been going. I've learned a lot over the last year. If you've been following along on some of the videos, I always kind of leave a little bit of my commentary as it goes, and learning some things, made some mistakes, made some good choices as well along the way. So it's nice to see the portfolio is in the green, which is always nice to see. It's not up by a ton. I will do an update video in this coming week. Up about, right now it is the weekend when I'm filming this, but we were up about 2% on the portfolio. We wish it was better, but obviously, again, those come with comes with the territory of investing. So it's nice to see that we are in the green after 1 year, and especially it's nice that everybody has been following along and leaving some great comments. I really appreciate it. I read all your comments. I don't get a chance, unfortunately, to respond to them all, but a lot of the ones that do have questions, if I haven't got back to you, what I always do is we'll do a follow-up video, usually once a month. Well, I will go through and answer your questions in a little bit more detail if I'm able to. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you haven't subscribed already, like I always say, the subscribing is free to do. Look down below, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, helps all that YouTube algorithm stuff, and we will see you all in the next video.